Hello, kindergarten. It's Miss Thompson here with another writing lesson for you. So this week we are talking about all things ocean. I know on Monday and Tuesday you got to read about crabs and write about all the things you knew. And today we are going to be writing about sharks. I know on Monday Mrs. Sellers talked to us about the difference between a fiction and a nonfiction text. And a nonfiction text have true facts in them. So we are going to write all true things about sharks today. So let's get started. Mrs. Vernon read us an awesome story about sharks today. So I'm going to take what I learned from there and put it into my writing. So I'm starting with a capital letter. I'm going to make sure I use finger spaces and very nice, neat handwriting as I stretch out my words to write about sharks. Sharks. Then I'm going to say that they live in the ocean. Sharks live in the ocean. Then I'm going to start a new sentence. So I have a period. I'm starting a new sentence. I'm going to write sharks use their fins to swim and steer, kind of like a car wheel helps us to steer our cars. So I'm going to write a few more sentences, but I can't wait to see what you wrote. I want to make sure that your writing starts with a capital letter and that no other letters are capitalized. Make sure that you stretch out your words. If you don't know how to spell it, it's okay. Just write the sounds that you hear. Make sure that you have nice finger spaces and that at the end of each sentence, you have a period. We can't wait to see what you're writing. Have fun learning about sharks.